Hi everyone, this is KJ with Truly Remarkable Life, and today we are going to build a box garden. Stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, shaping this destiny.
Okay, so today is the first weekend day that it's been semi-nice outside after the long winter here in the greater St. Louis area. Most of y'all know I'm from the south. I'm not used to this months and months and months of cold weather, so it's been very hard. But anyway. So we're picking out fencing to put around the garden to keep the critters out, because here where we live there are bunnies and other things that love to get into gardens. So we're looking for some sort of fencing, and as is usually the case, Craig has given me every option in the world and I can't decide now. Okay, as is par for the course, we went through figuring out fencing and all that for the garden, and then got done, and we were like, well, do we really need to do that right now? And so all of it went back.
So what are we looking for now?
I have no idea anymore.
Amateur gardeners.
I'm actually looking up cinder blocks online to see how much they cost at some of the various different places. So, looking. Okay, so now we're at a completely different store. Information and option overload. And so, in regards to the garden, we said blanket, and we're getting a bucket.
That would be blanket, as in BLANKIT.
Do it in a bucket. So we're going to try our hand at container gardening instead, which, after discussing it with Craig, there's a lot of pros to us trying it this way. Now we're purchasing a new grill. Well, it's not. I don't want to say like new grill, because we got rid of our old grill whenever we sold the house. So
yeah, it was too big.
We don't have a grill, so we're going for a small grill. Or this nice little.
Yay!
Okay, so we're going to start our container garden. This is a big change from what we were originally going to do. I've looked at several different websites, watched a couple of YouTube videos. Everybody suggests putting holes in the bottom of your buckets for drainage. So, the majority of things that I found said to do them about 3 to 4 inches apart to get plenty of drainage. And everything I read also said, if you're in doubt, do more. It's better to have, it's okay to have more. It's better than not enough. So here we go. Well,
You might need a different drill bit.
Maybe.
Yep, we got rid of the ugly lights. Those are the grow lights, by the way, that we had for legal growing in our house.
For the vegetables. So now we've replaced the drill bit, and we're going to try drill bit number 2. See how this goes. Okay, so we have holes in the bottom of the buckets. Here we go.
You want to show them what else we bought today?
Yeah.
I think they already saw it, but look, it's here.
We have a grill.
Yay.
Yay. Now, if my mathematical calculations are correct, one bag should do about 3 of these. So I'm gonna. I read Several different sites said to put rocks and pebbles and stuff in the bottom, and then the other half said it's really not necessary. I don't have any rocks, so we're not going to do that, and we're going to hope it comes out well.
What are you doing?
Taking these dead plants out.
What happened?
The never-ending winter in St. Louis is what happened. So, we will start again. Whenever I'm having my, I'm tired of winter and I'm ready for spring to get here, and I feel the urge to go ahead and start my gardening indoors because I'm going to move them outdoors because winter's almost over. Yeah, don't do that.
Wait 2 weeks.
Wait a few weeks. So, yeah, winter's over now. I don't think it's going to snow, or it hasn't gotten down near freezing here in a week or so. So I'm pulling all the dead plants out, and I'm just going to sow the seeds directly in the pots this time, or in the buckets. So stay tuned for more gardening, like version 2. And if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable garden.
Wah, wah.
Wah, wah.